What's up, online shoppers? It's time to get out in the garden, and I just ordered the cutest little set of fairy lights to put around the wagon wheel that I have in my flower garden. Let's open up the box and see what it looks like. So these are fairy lights. Now, if you haven't seen these before, they're super cool, and they are solar powered. Now, there's everything you get in the package, and you do also get a little instruction guide that tells you a few things. Here is a close-up of the product. You can see it's got a fairly large solar panel right here. And this is the solar lighting. Now there are 200 LED waterproof solar powered fairy lights. They have 8 different flashing modes, and I'm just gonna unwind this a little bit. Now this part of the string here doesn't have any lights because it's the part that's closest to your solar unit, but these are your fairy lights. Every one of these little blobs is actually a light, and this plugs into your solar unit right here at the back. So this solar unit sits out exposed to the sun, collecting light for somewhere between 4 to 8 hours. Depending on how much sunshine you get, that's going to depend on how long you're going to get of a charge. So on a cloudy kind of a day, if you don't have a lot of sun, you might only see these lights for a couple hours after dark. But there have been nights when I've had other solar lights out that they lasted almost until the wee hours of the morning, especially if the day before had been super bright. So these are your lights. All these little bulbs here that you can see, these are the lights, and they will light up. They are LED and they're waterproof. The total length of this is 72 feet. So this is going to be for my wagon wheel. I'm going to wrap this around the outside of my wagon wheel so that I can have a really beautiful feature in my flower garden. Let's take a look at the back of the solar panel, because this is really the brains of the unit. Now you have a power button right here. It makes a little click noise. You turn that on, and then here is your mode button. You have 8 different modes of how the lights are going to behave when it's on. And the great thing is, once you've selected this mode, say I press the button once because I like mode number 2, it's always going to remember that it was at mode 2, and I don't have to go back in and change it because it's going to remember whichever mode I left it at. Now there's so many different applications for this. You can use these inside or outside. If you want to use these inside, you just have to make sure that your solar panel is set somewhere that it's going to get between 4 to 8 hours of direct sunlight. So putting it in your window or putting it outside on your patio, maybe through a hole in your screen, that would definitely give you the option to get enough light in here to light these inside. It is photosensitive, which means that when the exterior ambient light drops too low, it will turn the lights on. So you don't have to worry about turning it on and turning it off. As soon as it gets darker, this little mini light is going to turn on, and as soon as it gets brighter, it's going to shut off. The only other time you're going to see it shut off if it's still dark is if the batteries are out. These are really easy to install. All you have to do is put your lights exactly where you want them, and here is your solar panel. It comes with a little spike like this that you can push into the ground, and you have a screw adjustment here that you can just tighten when you find the angle that you want. You're going to want to adjust your solar panel so that it angles towards where the sun is. Of course, if you're using it inside, you can also have the option of setting it flat on your windowsill to collect sunlight. And then as far as attaching it to the peg, there's just a little edge here that fits into this opening here, slides in just like that. You have your spike attached to your solar panel, and then all you have to do is just drive it into the ground for it to collect sunlight. You can adjust it. You can adjust the setting right here, the tightness, and make sure your angle is optimal for catching sun. Haha, look at that. There is what your lights are going to look like lit up. Now this one here is the bright white color. They also have a warm white color, and by putting the solar panel face down, of course I've blocked out all the light, so that turns this on. That means if you wanted to be able to use this inside your house, and maybe you're worried that there's too much ambient light for it to turn on, you could always just put something over top of it to block the light, and then it'll turn on. That's a pretty cool feature, and honestly, I just thought of that right now. If you are looking for a really cool feature to highlight something in your garden or on your patio, or to decorate for a wedding or a birthday or something that's outside, these little fairy lights are awesome. 72 feet in length, 200 mini white lights that you see right here, nice flexible wire, and a solar panel with 8 different modes. Let's see if we can see the modes here. There, it's kind of a coursing look. There's a twinkling look right there, an alternating look, a fade in, and I'm assuming fade out. Yep, just like that, it's fading in and out. And a real fast, bright twinkle mode. These are so pretty. I already love them. I definitely think these are gonna be family favorites at my house. What's up, everyone? Thanks for stopping by my YouTube channel. I really appreciate you taking the time to check out my product reviews. It means a lot. Now, if you wanna get your hands on that really great product I just showed you, I've linked it for you in the description below. Make sure you don't miss any more fresh product reviews by clicking subscribe and turning on your notifications. That way you'll get notified every time I post fresh content. And if you liked it, be sure to give it a thumbs up, because that way YouTube knows you want to see more of my content. By the way, don't forget to cannonball and do what you love.